Hello everyone, this is Jonas from Junior Garage and today I want to show you my new project, a Honda CRF 450 from 2003. The bike has been sitting in a shed for about 10 years and today's objective is to get it back on track with as little effort as possible. As you can see, things like the chain or the sprocket are worn out, and riding the bike like this would cause it to being damaged or even lead to a crash. So this is the first thing we will replace. I am lucky because the wheel hub of the CRF is compatible with beta sprockets, and since I have some of these laying around, I don't need to order any parts. The tires are going to be replaced in the next video, because it is not critical for the first ride but definitely necessary for using the bike. The oil has been in the bike for the last 5 years, so I will change the filter and both the engine and transmission oil. For some reason the previous owner removed one foot peg, but I got it with the bike so I can just put it back on.